Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to like someone on the Hinge application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Hinge application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be asked to proceed forward with your account credentials. Just proceed forward with your email address and your password or your phone number, and you will now be taken into your homepage, from which you can now see various different profiles that you can interact with. Now, if you come across any profile that you are interested in, then you can tap on the heart icon in order to let them know that you are interested. This is also how you can send a like to any user. So just tap on the heart icon, and you may also browse other pictures of this person. You can send a like on each and every one of them, and you may also tap on the cross icon if you don't wish to send a like, or if you are not interested. When you do this, the application will show you another profile on which you can either like or dislike once again. And if this person also likes your profile, then you will be matched with this user right away. And now you will be able to start conversation after this point on. And there you have it. That is how you can like somebody's profile on the Hinge dating app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.